Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive, your destination for exploring and expanding your vocabulary. Today, we're focusing on the word imperishable. The word imperishable refers to something that cannot perish or decay, something enduring and everlasting. It's often used to describe objects, ideas, or qualities that stand the test of time. Defined in various dictionaries, imperishable is synonymous with terms like eternal, indestructible, and undying. These words capture the essence of something that is meant to last forever. Let's explore some synonyms: immortal, permanent, timeless, and unfading. Each of these words carries the idea of durability and permanence. For example, we might describe love as imperishable, meaning it lasts forever, untouched by time. That's our deep dive into the imperishable. Expanding your vocabulary is a journey, and we're here to guide you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.